tells me in the last 12, 13 years, I have some loyal fans, and I have some fans who have followed my music, followed my works, and appreciate what I've done so far. It's just beautiful. I can say, to God be the glory. To God be the glory. And I mean, this only will let us keep going and going and going, and we'll keep doing and doing and doing. Thank you all so much. Thank you.
Some screen personalities and patrons spoke to Joy News.
Apart from the friendship, I mean, Kwamna and I, we go way back. It's at my place, I'm at his place kind of thing. You know, we play video games. But people will know because obviously he won't go to the kind of place I go to. So it's only when we're together that's, you know, the bond.
Kwamna is a good musician. I've known him since. And then when he invited me, I was like, no matter what I'm doing, I have to stop and come and support.
He's versatile. I love his voice. He doesn't strain his voice to bring out the good voice within him. He's performing right now, and I'm just speechless. I'm just looking at him. All the backup singers are not doing anything. It's not coming on stage.
The show was magnificent, and for a person who's been here for the first time in Ghana, you really